Hey everybody, Jeff here, East Texas ADV. Hey, we're gonna go over another cooking system. This is more along the lines of a jet boil type system. I don't know, jet boil used to be all the rage when I first started getting into the off-moto camping. A lot of people will go and buy backpacking stuff for moto camping, which I did. And I wasn't happy with it. I mean, yes, it's great for boiling water, but that is about it. You're gonna be hard pressed to cook any soups, any sauces, warm anything up. Something like this is primarily made for boiling water. That's simple. To add to that, to Mountain House, whatever, just nasty freeze-dried food. I don't like the shit, I don't like carrying. I'd rather carry 5 pounds of chunky soup or chili or something that I can just throw in the fire, boil in the can, or if there's a burn ban or something like that, throw on multiple other cooking systems that I have. So go ahead, and if you want to check those out, we're going to go ahead and there will be a playlist for my loadout for moto camping. So anyway, let's get on to what this thing is all about. This is the Stryker brand jet boil type system. So this is a rapid boiling system. It's got the heated technology, the heat ring technology for quick heating of water. It does have a neoprene cover. It does come off. Yeah, it does come off. This is by Camp Chef Mountain Series. And again, this is a Stryker. They make several different units like this. They make a bigger one, they make a smaller one, but you guys get the point. So push down, open, locks in place. You have your lid, okay? You have your feet, which they are very nice because they do lock in. Some of them don't. This one does lock in. Ooh, come on, baby. Well, it used to have a Teflon coating in it before I scraped it off with this. This is your cook base. It does have a piezo igniter on it. Basically, this goes in. There's little tabs. Let me get this out of the way. There are tabs here. I don't know if you can see them. They correspond here with the sides. Put it in, lock it down. I don't want to do it too bad because I'm trying to show you guys and it'll go pew. So pretty cool. I mean, it's stable, but here's the thing. It's not, yes, it'll fit, but you're gonna come up short. Can you put it upside down? You're gonna come up short, okay? So the 250, 230 gram canisters are not gonna work. So to make it fully nesting type setup, little tiny canister. So I would put this in upside down, put this in with the cap. Well, you could put it in like this, plenty of room so far. Your feet, see, you're starting to run out of room. Okay, boom. You might be able to get a set of utensils in here. I don't know, but that's a minor mood point. You could play around with it and put stuff differently. I don't think you'd gain any space by doing this. The only problem with putting it in like this is I'm afraid that you would mess up the Stryker. So this setup right here is a little bit over a pound for everything here minus the gas, okay? 1.1 pound, 5 ounces for this bad boy right here. You want to boil water, this thing will rip water. It is just as efficient as a jet boil. And I want to say these things are about 40 bucks. All right. They do make different sizes in this brand. So that is a good thing. Again, this was my very first cook set, and I wanted everything nesting, so I could never find these little teeny tiny butane containers. So with the whole setup and the 110 gram butane kit, you're looking at right under 2 pounds. You're looking at like 1.8 pounds with everything, minus your silverware. So could this be a nesting kit? Sure, it could be. Silverware pack's easy, you know. It's just whatever your imagination can think up, go with it. But out of the box, 1 pound, 5 ounces right here. You can make it semi-nesting is what we'll call it. So anyway, again, Camp Chef, it's a Stryker unit. If I can find the link, I will put a link in the description below. If you guys haven't had a chance yet, do me a big favor. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell for future notifications, as there's a lot of stuff coming through. We're gonna do a lot of product reviews, a lot of stuff like that. We're gonna do some stuff on my sleep system. We have been getting a lot of questions on what do you use when you moto camp. I've been seeing a lot on Facebook on the different groups. So instead of sounding like a broken record and saying, hey, this is what I do, blah, 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 you know what? Let's just show everybody what we do. So you guys have any suggestions? Leave them down there in the comment section below. I'd love to hear what you guys use, what works for you, what doesn't work for you. Again, I just want to say thanks for watching till the end. And as always, life's an adventure. Try and live like one. We'll see you guys later.